This is Claw Shoot wired gaming controller. First, let's look at the unboxing. Here's the box. On top, it has branding and preview. On the front, it has highlights. On the bottom, there are specs and more information. Now let's unbox. There is warranty card, user manual, and this is the controller. Let's remove the cover. Here's how it looks like. Now let's look at the physical overview. On the front, there are 2 joysticks or analog sticks, D-pad and action buttons, back, home and start buttons, and 4 LED lights labeled 1 to 4. On the top, there are 4 buttons, 2 on each side, R1, R2, L1, L2. On the sides, it has rubberized grip on both sides, feels really good to hold, and the design also looks good. You can't see from a distance, you have to take a closer look. On the back, there is branding and more information. As it is wired controller, it comes with Type A cable. Now these are the specs. It has dual input support, that is X input and D input. So this supports a lot of games. It also comes with 1-year warranty from date of purchase. As for weight, without the cable it weighs 186 grams and with the cable it weighs 241 grams. Now let's look at the functions. It works just like you would expect. We had the wireless version of the Claw Shoot controller a few months ago and that worked great. And this is no different. It is plug and play and it works nicely. You can configure the buttons with their software as well. So overall, if you're looking for a great quality wired controller at a low price of $14.90, then look no further. This is pretty good option. It gets even better. If you buy this on Origin Shop website, you can get it for 970 rupees only. So what do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.